Good afternoon to all. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to solve the programming in Python week 5 assignment 5 solutions July October 2024, which last date is 5 October 2024. Hi, I am Manoranjan, the Nptel Cloud Computing talked about hyper% research scholar of civil and global universities, and I have 17 plus years experience. So right now I'm going to solve these questions of assignment 5. There are near about 10 questions are there. We will solve the 10 questions one by one. Okay, let's start the first questions here. What is the index of the last character in the string Python? Okay, what is the index of the last character string in the Python? So starting from the 0, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so it will be 5. Okay, we are going to verify the answer here. How? In Python, indexing starts at 0. Okay, therefore in a string Python, p is at 0. Here p is at 0. Okay, and y is at 1. Here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and so on. The last character n is at the 5. So the correct answer is 5, which is option number A. Question 1, option number A, 5 is the right answer. Moving to the question number 2. Which operator is used to concatenate two strings in Python? Concatenate means joining of two strings. Okay, one strings and you have to join the another strings. We will use this plus operator. Okay, see, in a plus operator, what happens? It is used to concatenate. Concatenate means to joining of two strings in the Python. You can take an example here. Suppose hello is a word, hello is a word, and world is a another word. Suppose you joining two words, hello plus word, the result will be hello word, and it will be in a double quoted. Okay, so we use the plus operator here. 2C is the right answer. Moving to the question number 3. What will be the output of the following code? Okay, first string is new, second string is Delhi. First one is new, second is Delhi. Result, first string, here operator is used. Okay, arithmetic operator means joining of concatenation operator of joining of two strings, first string and second string, and print the results. And what will be the answer? Simply, the answer will be New Delhi. Here new plus Delhi equal to New Delhi. There will be no underscore, no space, no gap, nothing else. Okay, simply we can define here. See, the plus operator concatenates the two string without adding any space between them. So new plus Delhi becomes New Delhi in a single string. Okay, moving to the question number 4. Moving to the question number 4. What is the correct way to append one string to another in Python? Okay, one string another into Python. So here option C is the right answer. String 1 plus equal to string 2. Okay, see how? Because the plus equal to operator can be used to append string 2 to string 1, string 2 to string 1. For example, you can take string 1 plus equal to string 2 is equivalent to, that means string 1 equal to string 1 plus string 2. Okay, so option C is the right answer. Fourth, option C is the right answer. Okay, moving to the question number 5. What will be the output of the following code? Output of the following code. One string is spider. Okay, it starts from string 2 to 5. 2 to 5. So it will be start from 1 to, that means starts from P, Y and D. P, Y and D. Okay. A little bit explanation here I'm giving you. The slide structures 2:5. That means starts from 2. That means it extract the substring starting at index number 2, but not including index 5. In index 5, it is not included up to 4. So therefore, PYD is returned. Okay, PYD. That's mean 2, 3, and 4. A, P, Y, and D. Okay, option B is the right answer. Moving to the question number 6. which of the following string methods converts all the character strings to the uppercase? Okay, simply know to convert the uppercase, we made this upper. Okay, so 6, B is the right answer. Okay, the lowercase, we will use lowercase, proper case, we will proper case. For upper cases, we will upper. See, here, explanations. This upper method converts all the characters in a string to the uppercase. For example, you can take an example here. Suppose in hello is written in a small word. Okay, so if you want to convert the lowercase letter to the uppercase letter, we will use hello dot upper. Okay, what it will returns? It will returns the string hello into a uppercase. Okay, so all the small letter that will be converted to the uppercase letter or capital letter. Okay, by using upper methods. So 6B is the right answer. Moving to the question number 7. What does the split means divided or substrings method return when called on a strings? Okay. So it will divided or segregate. That means it is a list. We can go to the explanation part. The split method splits or a string into a list of substring based on a specified delimiter, by default a space. For example, you can take hello world dot splits between hello another part and world another part. There will be two strings. Okay, so by using the split method, we can separate the things. So which options is the right option? A list. 7, option number B. Okay. Moving to the question number 8. If you want to remove leading and trailing, that means first and last space from a string. Okay. Which method you use? Which method we will use? You will use strip methods. Smith method. That means unnecessary and unwanted spaces will be removed. So 8, option A is the right answer. We can see here the strip method removes any leading, that means from starting, and trailing, that means for ending. That means white space character from a string. For example, suppose you first give a space, after that mention hello. Okay, again spaces, then dot strip returns. From the beginning, it will remove the space. From the ending, it will remove the space. Only hello string is mentioned. Okay, so here the strip method is used. 8, option A is the right answer. Moving to the question number 9. Which of the following is used to specify a string in a multiple lines? Multiple lines in Python. If you write the multiple lines, especially we use the triple quotes. Okay. See why triple quotes? Because in triple quotes, okay, whether it is single quote, double quote, the Python is defined as single string that spans multiple lines. Here in triple quote, we may write multiple lines. Okay, multiple lines. Start the triple quote and mention the multiple lines here and end the triple quotes. So the triple quotes, 9, option C is the right answer. Moving to the question number 10 and last question. What does the format function do in the Python? Format function do in the Python. What it allows text alignment, especially it is used for alignment. It allow text align and formatting of the strings. The format function in Python allows for text alignment, instructions of variables into strings and more complex strings formatting. For example, see here, suppose you write hello dot callback as exclamatory dot format world. The output will be hello, comma, world. Okay. So here the format functions do allow text alignment and formatting of the string. 10B is the right answer. Guys, see, we have submitted all the answer one by one. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now I'm going to click on the submit answer button. After submitting the answer button, it displays your answer has successfully submitted. Another message came here. Thank you for taking the assignment 5. Assigned date submitted on date 18/8/2024. Guys, I hope you like my video. If you like my video, I definitely you can subscribe my channel to get the latest update of week 6, assignment 6 questions and solutions. Okay, and you just share it to your friends, those who are participating in the Python in programming in Python's Nptel examination. That may be helpful for them. And till then, I hope you must take care of yourself and see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.